In this video, I'll guide you through how to rearrange photos on Vrbo. If you're looking to showcase your property in the best light possible, having your photos in the right order is key. Whether it's to highlight a beautiful living room or a stunning exterior shot, rearranging your photos can make a big difference in attracting potential guests. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily reorder your photos to make your property listing more appealing. First, you'll want to navigate your way through the VRBO interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the navigation menu. From there, look for the property section and click on Edit Property. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your property listing. Once you're on the Edit page, find the Photos tab. This section is where all your uploaded photos are displayed. Clicking on it will show you a grid of your current photos. Here's where the magic happens, reordering your photos to make sure they tell the best story of your property. To start rearranging your photos, look for the 6-dot handle that appears on each photo. This is usually in the center of the image. You'll click and hold this handle. While holding down, drag the photo to your desired position. This simple drag and drop function allows you to reorder the photos effortlessly. It's a good idea to take a moment to think about the sequence that makes the most sense to potential guests viewing your listing. One critical tip to keep in mind is what we call the hero spot. This is the first position in your photo lineup and is the most prominent image potential guests will see first. Ideally, this should be your best photo, one that captures the essence of your property. Typically, a wide-angle shot of the main living area or a breathtaking exterior view works well here. First impressions matter, so choose wisely. After you've rearranged your photos to your satisfaction, don't forget the final step, saving your changes. It's easy to get caught up in the creative process and overlook this crucial step, but hitting that save button ensures that your hard work doesn't go to waste. Once saved, your photos will be displayed in the new order you've chosen, giving your VRBO listing a fresh and inviting look. And there you have it, a straightforward way to rearrange photos on VRBO that can significantly enhance the appeal of your property listing. By putting your best photo forward and organizing your images thoughtfully, you can attract more guests and make your listing stand out. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make sure your photos speak volumes about the wonderful experience your property offers.